Okay, so this is how we're going to fold a zine. This is just a scrap piece of paper from a menu I'd printed out a zillion years ago. So what we want to do is it's an 8.5 by 11. We just want to fold up like we're wrapping a hot dog. Make a nice crease. You could use a bone folder. Then you want to turn it this way and fold it again this way. Give it a nice crease. And we're going to fold it up again. It gets a little harder as you fold because it gets thicker. So you just got to use patience and get nice creases in there. And you're going to open it back up like this. And this is the fold right here. So the top, this is the fold, this is the open part. We're going to just take our scissors and we're going to cut the tiniest slit from this fold to this fold. Okay, just the tiniest sliver. There's probably a million other ways to do this, but this is the way I always do it. Okay, so it's like teeny tiny strip. And what that's going to do is it's going to open this up. And when we do that, so here's our fold. I'm going to turn it this way, and we're going to pull this side out, and we're going to take this fold and push this fold out like this, and we're going to pull it together like this. And then we're going to fold it like this. So then we have 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page. And you can decorate it any way you want. You can add washi tape or decorative elements to the edge to kind of make all the edges nice and even. You can glue the pages together so that they don't open back up, but if you are planning to mail this to somebody and you want to keep it flat, you want to make sure you create each individual page separately so that you can then mail it flat to whoever you're sending it to, and then they can fold it and build it. It cuts down on postage that way. But if you have a lot of thick elements, like if you have a lot of glue, if you're putting in a bunch of mixed media, a lot of the times it's too difficult to make it a flat piece like that. But this works great for like if you're sending a newsletter to family members or something like that, and you want to do it in kind of a quirky way. A zine is a great way to go. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Visit me online. Jill@glimmerbug.com is my email, or visit me at www.glimmerbug.com and check out our online classes, our in-person in-studio classes, and our online art community, which is the Creative Art Village, where we do mixed media and watercolor and all sorts of fun little projects and mail swaps and that kind of thing. So visit me online. Thanks for watching.